Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Prime Music. To begin, simply open the Amazon Music application on your device or visit the Amazon Music website. You will then log in using your existing Amazon Prime account details. Once logged in, you gain immediate access to over 100 million songs, thousands of ad-free stations, and a vast library of podcasts, all included with your Prime membership. It's a straightforward process to start enjoying your favorite audio content right away. Discovering new music on Amazon Prime Music is incredibly easy. You can browse through various genres, artists, and albums, or explore thousands of expertly curated playlists designed for every mood and activity. If you have something specific in mind, simply use the search bar to find your desired songs, artists, or podcasts. The platform also provides personalized recommendations, helping you uncover new favorites based on your listening history and preferences, making discovery a seamless experience. Enjoy your music even without an internet connection by downloading songs and entire albums directly to your device for offline playback. Creating custom playlists is also simple. Just add your favorite tracks to organize your personal collection. Your entire music library, including all your created playlists and downloaded content, is accessible across all your compatible devices, from your smartphone to your smart speaker, ensuring your music is always with you, wherever you go. Enhance your listening experience with several advanced features. You can use Alexa voice commands for completely hands-free control, allowing you to play music, skip tracks, or adjust volume with just your voice. Explore high-quality audio options available for many tracks, providing a richer and more immersive sound. Additionally, managing your music settings, preferences, and device authorizations is straightforward within the application, giving you full control over your personalized audio journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.